And the little man's eating pellets. 3 weeks, and he's eating pellets, which is really makes me feel good because now I don't have to worry. See, eating pellets. It's the first time. Woohoo! Loving it. Loving it. Looks like he can get this tail today. That's okay. He'll be fine in the morning. They do that. They get a little nip sometimes from each other. Yeah, he's spent 3 weeks watching all the rest of them eat it, and tonight, just now, he said, "I'm hungry enough. I'm going for it," and he's eating pellets.